This is a kind of a let's say a typical kind of a cycle. You have a storage where your data is. The data scientist team is doing data preparation. Then you have a kind of a training. You have a training backend system, and once this part is done, you review it, like what could be used for further. I mean, you do a lot of experiments, right? Whether this particular model is suitable for production use case or not. So once that is done, this part more is comes like more under towards the MLOps engineer category, like model registry, deploying it, monitoring it. For as a part of this course, I mean, we will try to be a data scientist sometimes, a data engineer sometimes, because we do not have separate teams with us here, right? So we will do a part of it. We will build complete ecosystem around that. So whenever you are the part of any team, so you have less surprises and you will be able to immediately catch up, like in which part you are playing what kind of a role.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.